Do you want to lose weight quickly? The solution is easy. Eat more. It may sound counterintuitive, but there's some sound food mixture science behind the suggestion. But before you get too excited and double up on cakes and cookies, you should know that the food pairing trick does have some caveats. Only pairing the right foods together burns belly fat on one plate. In this video on parshealthhtv, we are going to be sharing with you 10 of these food pairings that help you lose fat faster. Stay tuned with us. Number 10. Peanut butter plus banana. Carb pairing is an easy assumption. Everyone knows to eat carbs and protein at every meal. Pairing nutritional sources of protein and healthy complex carbs do more than just help muscle recovery post-workout. It keeps you fuller for a longer time. Both protein and healthy fats slow your body's digestion of sugars and aid in controlling your blood sugar levels. In this pairing, bananas are the rich source of complex carbohydrates, and peanut butter is your source of protein and healthy fat, which makes this combination perfect and complete. Number 9. Avocado plus dark leafy greens. A spinach or kale salad is obviously low in calories and high in nutrients and vitamins, but it can leave you wanting more and more. To make it more filling and nutritious, top it with avocado. It's likely to be more satisfying because it has a sort of healthy fat, monounsaturated, that staves off hunger. Avocados assist your body in absorbing more of the veggie's disease-fighting antioxidants. Number 8. Spinach plus lemon juice. Whether you squeeze some drops of a lemon over your sautéed spinach salad or add some juice to your morning smoothie, this will do several wonders for your health. Are you asking why? Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, while spinach is a rich vegetarian source of non-heme iron. To boost the bioavailability of the dietary iron in the spinach, you should add vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, to the meals containing spinach. According to the International Journal for Vitamin and Nutrition Research, vitamin C improves iron absorption. Number 7. Chicken plus cayenne pepper. Chicken breasts are known to be excellent for weight loss goals and for a reasonable reason. One breast contains 27 grams of protein for fewer than 160 calories. As protein takes longer to digest, which can cause you to feel full longer. Spice up this dinner staple with whatever you like, such as a rub or sauce made with cayenne pepper. It may increase your calorie burn and make you feel less hungry. Number 6. Bell peppers plus eggs. Catch a pepper and a few eggs, and get cracking. This powerful fat-frying pairing will assist you in fitting into your skinny jeans in no time. Eggs have a metabolism-boosting nutrient named choline, and peppers are a rich source of vitamin C. If you don't know, what does vitamin C have to do with weight loss? We should tell you that getting an acceptable amount of the nutrient can aid fight off cortisol. This hormone causes fat to gather around the core. Chop some bell peppers of any color, add them to a hot pan with some drops of olive oil, add 2 or 3 eggs to it, and scramble them up to stay slim and healthy. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 5 on our list. Number 5. Bean plus vegetable soup. Add a broth-based veg soup to your meals. This liquid fills your stomach, leaving less space for higher calorie meals. One research indicated that people who began with soup ate 20% fewer calories during a meal. Stirring in beans, like chickpeas, lima beans, or black beans, can give you more energy because they're rich sources of protein and fiber. Number 4. Oatmeal plus berries. If you're trying to lose weight, oatmeal topped with berries is another tasty fat-frying breakfast choice you might want to consider. What makes this pairing so assertive? Canadian researchers say they each have insoluble fiber, which boosts ghrelin levels, a hormone that regulates hunger. Plus, berries are loaded with chemical compounds called polyphenols that aid weight loss and can really stop fat from forming. Adding this meal to your weekly repertoire will allow you to see your six-pack before swimsuit season. And, believe us, the cooking time is worth it. Number 3. Steak plus broccoli. Too exhausted to hit the gym? This food pairing can help you out. Beef is high in protein and iron, which your body utilizes to make red blood cells. These cells take oxygen to your organs, so falling short can zap your energy. And broccoli is the excellent side because its vitamin C supports your body to absorb iron. A half cup of this veggie has around 66% of all the vitamin C you require daily. Number 2. Green tea plus lemon. If you require a pick-me-up beverage, brew some green tea. The low-calorie beverage is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which may aid you in burning more calories and fat. One researcher recommended that drinking 4 cups of green tea every day may reduce weight and blood pressure levels. To make it even healthier, squeeze some drops of lemon. It allows your body to absorb them. Number 1. Yogurt plus raspberries. This creamy treat may aid turn up the fat torch. Studies recommend that people who consume more calcium and vitamin D as part of a weight loss plan shed more belly fat than those who don't. So, purchase vitamin D fortified yogurt, which fills up about 37% of all the calcium you require daily. You can top it with half a cup of raspberries for sweetness and 5 grams of fiber. Regarding slimming down, 2 or more foods can function better than one. That's because each one has various nutrients that work together. As a team, these food pairings can help you fend off hunger, stay full longer, and scorch fat or calories better than they could solo. Feel free to share your ideas and opinions in the comments section below. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe to our channel. Are you looking for more amazing health-related videos? Don't forget to watch more of our videos on the left and right of your screen.